to tell you how to do this thing. So you need to go on this box, current year, and there will be all of this. So you just click it. Oh no 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 no! What have I done? What? Yeah. Now it's fixed. If you're done, say double click the screen. Okay. Now I think I want a backdrop. So let's choose one. What should we choose? Is there a volcano? Let's search. Wall. Nope. But I want this one. This is so calm. I'm just going to make this guy. Oh, 500. What? That's a bit too big. How about 200? He's a little boy again. It's like I knew him. I want everybody to see how beautiful that is. So I'm just going to write it 999. Done. This guy is pretty cute. I think I'll put him here. No, yeah, here. So I want to make him have a map. You see, I want to delete this also. It's pretty bad. Then let me get this and let me get to white, yellow. Where are you? Yeah. Done. Now let me make a map thingy. Hopefully this will set up. Yes. Now let me get some green shade. Done. Let me cover this up with some land. And this is all land. The moment is done. Now, if I'm not being silly, I should carefully fill this up. Now done. Let me get the thinner color. I think 6. Nah, yeah. Now let me get some blue. Make some streams lead here. And this is the stream we're on. Let me make some tributaries. If you know, a tributary is a lake or small piece of water connecting to a bigger piece of water. Then I want this to be a bit detailed, so I'm making this a bit darker. Now done. Wait a moment, I think this might work. Let me just make this a bit lighter. Done. Yep, this is all the ocean. I think I'll add the sun as well. The sun is pretty important. Oh no, not a big sun. I guess I'll make this about 15. Here. Now I'll make this a bit super. No, I want to make this sun definitely a bit bigger. Yeah, that's what we're talking. Now let me just increase this a bit. No, decrease it. Done. Now that's perfect. Let me add a spot here for fun. And for fun. And I guess we might. Nah, just tricking you all. I think 2 should be right. 3, I guess. 4, yeah. Enough, I guess. Let me get red. This is where you are, so near the stream. How about we use orange since this guy is orange? I mean the cat. Yeah, and I guess this would be better if we were here. We make a perfect dot. Yeah, done. We're done with the map, and I want to make this guy look a bit funny, so I'm going to add him some teeth. This teeth, nah, this is a bit too good. How about we make him have cute teeth that are pretty light? Nah, just stop. Then, now we could rename this cat to have the name cat? No, kitty. It E. No, city. I meant this guy. I want to change his name a lot. What? Cure. Going to be his name. And done. I guess I'll add the loudness. Done. Now I can see the time. No, see the loudness what I'm making. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.